Hello, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing so well. Thank you so much for tuning in today. As always, I appreciate you all. Just in case you see my face of the platform for the first time, I am iGladon here. I make fashion and lifestyle content. If you like the sound of that, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I will appreciate that. And don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. As you can tell from the title of this video is that how to alleviate like boring clothes and make it look really nice and smart. So I have styled like 4 pieces or 5 pieces that I would love to talk through with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and then I don't want to ramble too much. Let's just dive right into it. As you can see with this outfit that I'm showing you guys, so I'm just putting on like a jumper on top of a nice trouser, really free trouser. First thing I will do with this outfit, I will just give a little bit of French tuck. So I did this one at the side. I really just love the way straight away it kind of defined the outfit on its own, and there's a really nice proportion of balance. It's just giving that relaxed look, and I just really love this one about the outfit. And just to make the outfit look a little bit more interesting, I did here, I just took one of my silk scarf, round it around my neck, and try to really make the end, one of the end kind of dangle at the side, just to make it a little bit stylish. So I honestly just love it. And as you can see, there's color thing going on, and the whole combination is looking more interesting. And moreover, cold draft is not going to go on your neck. It's keeping your neck nice and toasty. And can I just quickly say, when you're doing this, kind of leave a little bit space on the neck. You don't want the scarf to be too tight against your neck. And just to kind of style it, I put my white ankle boot. It's just honestly, they all look flush together with my white handbag. I love the way this outfit honestly comes to light. And if you want to even go further, you could just put like your white, if you have a white coat, or if you have the same sort of color palette as the jumper, that will go really well. And I just love the whole combo together, and it just make the outfit look like suddenly really chic, really stylish. And you could see the comparison that I will be showing you on the screen as well, like the before and the after. Definitely I will go with the after. So with this next look, you could see the outfit himself. It's just like the jumper is there, there's no structure to it, and the trouser is flare at the bottom. I really love these two combination of color. Initially I thought probably it's not going to work. When I actually styled both of them together, I was so surprised how it turned out. So what I did here, I have underlay of the shirt underneath, and I just put the jumper because I really kind of like the contrast that I get from the shirt and the color of the jumper. So just to make this thing all interested, I brought the collar out, so you could see around the neck there, you could see the shirt. So I kind of crunched the sleeve off so that you can see a bit of the shirt, the white contrasty thing happening as well. What I did here, just to kind of define the waist at the moment, is the outfit is still a bit very kind of blank and all that. So I took my hairband, I just honestly just crunched the back a little bit because I really wanted a bit of definition, and I topped it up with my brush. It's just like so easy, but it just kind of alleviates this boring outfit to something a bit more chic, sophisticated, and really well polished. So do let me know which outfit you like, before or the after. I honestly just love playing with my clothes at home like this, just to see how to kind of make outfit just kind of stand out by just doing little things. It's just amazing how you can just twig an outfit, and the outfit will just kind of pop even extra more. So this other outfit I'll be showing you guys, I honestly really love this sleeve dress. I've owned this sleeve dress for years now. It's my go-to sleeve dress. I use it quite a lot all year round. Maybe you have sleeve dress and you want to kind of maybe twig it here and there. So this is where this outfit comes in. So what I simply did, I just took my sleeve dress, I took my hairband, and you could just take it underneath, as you can see from the video, and just give it a little kind of crunch, tie it up, and you could just see the way it just crunches. You could kind of twig it a little bit the way you want it. Your leg is a little bit sexy. Just kind of create another kind of pattern or another style to this sleeve dress. I do really love this hack and this trick. It's just so wonderful. These are the little things that you can just do to an outfit, like a boring dress like that with maybe just the star at the front. You could just twig it a little bit and you just get something a bit more. So this is how I will elevate this sleeve dress. So do let me know what you think. So with this one, you could put your blazer. I actually put my blazer. I think my camera must have died on me. Just put like a blazer, or you could wear a coat and you just have that little ruffle thing going on there. I think it's really nice. So you kind of elevated this outfit from what it used to be before. So do let me know the before and the after. Which one do you like? Which one do you actually prefer? Another transformation that I have for you guys is this like leather trouser with this white shirt. You could put trainers on, your handbag, you're ready to go. Yeah, boring outfit, so something more exciting. This is the normal way that we all would do it, like normal people would do it. But if you want to give it a little bit of a nudge up, what I would do, first thing I would do with this outfit basically is just to sort of tile the front of the shirt, just to kind of define the waist area, really kind of define the silhouette and things like that. And I actually quite like the contrast, the white and the black thing going on is nice. So here what I just simply did, I just kind of unbuttoned a little bit. So I don't know, this shirt that I used to do the demo here was not holding up. I have some more structured shirt that really would have given me what I was looking for, but I think it was in my basket. I think it's dirty, so that's why I did not bring it out. So that's why I just used this one. But if you really have a really lovely shirt that the front will be very defined, then you can layer with a bit of jewelry. You could layer, because this one is a little bit flappy. My shirt was a little bit flappy, you can't really tell. So layer with a little bit of jewelry with the front tile. So what I did there, I swapped the trainers for before the knee boots with a little bit of heel, a little bit pointed, so that it will flush well with my leather trouser. So because then it look a little bit more smarter, more chic, sexy in the same time, but not too like in your face sort of sexy. It just kind of elevates the outfit the way I have done it this way. So do let me know what you think of the before and the after of this outfit. I actually quite like the after, because in the evening, if you're going out in the evenings and you could dress like that, you just make it look really nice. And you know, with the sleeve, you could just kind of crunch the sleeve up a little bit. Beautiful. So this is another outfit I'll be talking about. I have this dress. It's from Mango. So trying to uplift this look, it just simply honestly just putting on this dress, using my belt just to snitch the waist in, and even just using the belt to snitch the waist in, just kind of define the waist area. And because before I do struggle with this kind of dresses, I'll be thinking, oh my god, it just looks flat on me. So for me to make this outfit pop a bit, what I do, I would just bend the waist and it just looks fantastic. Then I have a really nice silhouette thing going on. It's just beautiful. It's just giving me that. It's really defining my waist. It's just making me more chic, very classy. So this is one thing I like. So I would say accessories do go a long way. So use a lot of accessories. You know, when you even put on boring clothes, t-shirts, you know, there's a way you put your necklace, your jewelry, but not too much, in a really classy way, even using your belt. It just really helps to uplift your outfit. So accessories is just amazing. So the last thing I will be talking about is for you to kind of make any boring thing look really nice, chic, and absolutely fantastic. Is for you to wear your smile. Exactly what I'm doing at the moment. Even though it's a day that is like miserable, you're going out and you've dressed up, but with your smile, that is absolutely priceless. So put on your smile and be confident and be bold in anything that you put in on, because with your smile, it kind of seals everything. Do you understand what I mean? So so let's just smile with our outfits and just be happy with what we have on. So with your priceless smile, that will elevate any outfit, trust me. Anyway guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. So if you like this kind of video, I'm happy to be kind of showing outfits like this. So this is the first one I have done on this channel. Happy to be doing outfit like this. Just how to uplift different kind of outfits. It could be a series on this channel. I actually quite like it. It's just amazing when you start twigging one thing or the other, or you wear outfits, you'll be thinking, oh my god, how can I even uplift this outfit more? Do you understand? So I do really enjoy this kind of video. So do let me know, would you like to see more of this sort of video? I am happy, honestly, I'm happy to do more of this sort of video here. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. So I will see you guys in my next video. So bye bye.